Imagine hitting the open road with the comfort of a five-star hotel, the power of a Mercedes-Benz engine, and a home on wheels that feels more spacious than some city apartments. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're stepping inside one of the most luxurious and cleverly designed motorhomes on the market. The Rapido 996M, built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. From its innovative bathroom layout to its versatile sleeping solutions and jaw-dropping storage capacity, this motorhome isn't just about traveling. It's about traveling in pure class. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this RV could be the perfect blend of freedom, comfort, and Mercedes luxury. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true gem in the luxury motorhome world, the Rapido 996M, a fully integrated RV built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz chassis. This isn't just any motorhome. It's a spacious, well-thought-out rolling home that blends practicality with the comfort of a high-end lifestyle. The Rapido 996M is designed for travelers who want it all: a reliable and powerful engine, clever interior solutions, and that unmistakable Mercedes touch. Built with durability in mind, it uses Mercedes' chain drive system, meaning you'll never have to worry about replacing a timing belt. That's long-term peace of mind every owner appreciates. Now, let's step inside, because the layout of this motorhome is what really makes it shine. The moment you enter, you'll notice how open and roomy it feels. The clever design gives you more living space than you'd expect, creating a welcoming environment whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with family. Sleeping arrangements are generous. You get a large fixed double bed in the rear of the motorhome, perfect for comfortable rest after a day on the road. And if you need extra sleeping space, a drop-down bed at the front can be easily lowered, providing another ready-made double bed in just seconds. This makes the 996M a perfect four-berth motorhome without sacrificing living space during the day. Storage is also a strong point. At the back, there's a full-through garage that runs across the width of the RV. It's big enough to carry bicycles, camping gear, or even bulky sports equipment. The garage is accessible from both sides, making loading and unloading effortless. There are also pull-out exterior drawers for smaller items you want quick access to. And yes, there's even an outdoor shower built in, ideal for rinsing off after a hike, washing off sandy feet at the beach, or simply cleaning your equipment before bringing it inside. Moving into the lounge area, you're greeted by reversible captain's chairs at the front, complete with armrests and multiple adjustment settings for maximum comfort. These chairs swivel to face a cozy sofa group, giving you a true living room feel. The central table is practical too. Not only can it be moved around easily, but it can also expand, giving you flexibility whether you're enjoying a coffee for two or hosting a larger dinner. The kitchen area is equally impressive. It's designed like a compact but fully functional home kitchen. You get a hob with multiple burners, an oven, a modern extractor fan, and a deep sink with hot and cold water. The fridge is automatic and comes with a freezer, cleverly switching between gas, 230V, or 12V depending on what power supply is available. Of course, you can also choose manually if you prefer. Storage is excellent, with plenty of drawers and cabinets to keep all your cooking essentials neatly organized. Next, we come to one of the true highlights of this motorhome, the bathroom layout. This is where the Rapido 996M really sets itself apart. Instead of cramming everything into one corner, Rapido designed a brilliant split bathroom solution. On one side, you have a spacious shower cubicle with sliding doors, giving you a proper enclosed shower just like at home. On the other side, there's the toilet, sink, mirror, and extra cabinet space. It feels modern, practical, and makes daily routines so much easier when you're traveling. Add to that a large wardrobe, and you'll have no problem keeping clothes and personal items organized, even on longer trips. Technical specifications, spoken narration style. Now let's take a look at the key technical specs that make the Rapido 996M a strong and reliable motorhome. Built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. 2.2-liter diesel engine, producing 150 horsepower. Manual transmission. Seats and sleeps up to 4 people. Usable with a standard Class B driving license. Fresh water tank, 100 liters. Gray water tank, 100 liters. Hot water tank, 10 liters. Total weight, 3,880 kilograms, or about 8,555 pounds. Net weight, 3,180 kilograms, or about 7,012 pounds. Payload capacity, 700 kilograms, That's 1,543 pounds of gear you can bring along. Length, 7.40 meters, or 24.28 feet. Width, 2.32 meters, or 7.61 feet. Year model, 2009. Market value, around 45,000 euros, which is approximately 52,000 US dollars. Added features and comfort. On top of all this, the Rapido 996M comes fitted with solar panels. These automatically keep your battery charged, so you don't have to worry about finding a hookup when you're off-grid. For campers and adventurers, that's a huge plus. The interior is sleek and well thought out, with every detail carefully designed to balance functionality with comfort. The driver's cab area has built-in blinds for privacy and shade, which can be pulled across easily whenever needed. Heating and climate control are handled by a Truma combi system with electric heating options, ensuring you stay comfortable in both summer and winter. There's also air conditioning in the driving cab, giving you relief during hot road trips. Other highlights include a mosquito-proof entry door, recessed windows with insect nets and blinds, a TV with antenna, rear-view camera, Bluetooth connectivity, multiple USB ports, and built-in safety features like airbags and a gas alarm system. Lifestyle and conclusion. Put all of this together, and what you get is a motorhome that truly delivers. The Rapido 996M isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about enjoying the journey with all the comfort of home, and maybe even more. From the hotel-style bathroom layout, to the clever storage, the versatile sleeping arrangements, and the reliability of Mercedes-Benz engineering, this motorhome is designed for those who want luxury, functionality, and adventure all rolled into one. At just over 7 meters long, it's compact enough to handle comfortably on European roads, yet spacious enough to feel like a small apartment on wheels. So, if you're someone who dreams of hitting the open road without giving up comfort and style, the Rapido 996M is a motorhome that deserves a serious look.